So hi guys, in this video I'll be telling you how to install project Elixir 3.0 based on Android 13 for Mi11X Redmi K40 or the Poco F3. So the prerequisites are you need an analog bootloader, you can be on MIUI or any other custom ROM, and you need to remove your password and security, you need to remove your Me account, you need to remove your Google accounts, and once all of them are done you can do a reboot. And if you're on a custom ROM based on AOSP, then flash the latest regional firmware. And if you are below MIUI 13.0.7, you need to flash this firmware, which is linked in description. You need to flash the 13.0.7 firmware. And if you're already on the MIUI 13.0.7 or the latest version of your region, you can skip this flashing firmware part. And you need to have Orange Fox recovery installed. Now you can close all of them and reboot into recovery by clicking on reboot and keep on pressing your power up button. So well, the recovery has booted. Make sure you have this latest version, and now head into wipe, select your cache and then swipe to confirm. Head into files and select your firmware. Make sure nothing else is checked and click on swipe to install now. So once your firmware is installed, you can go back, select your rom.zip and do not select anything else. Swipe to install. Since this is a ROM file, this is gonna be taking a long time to flash, so please patiently wait. So well, the ROM is flashed. Now all you need to do is head to home. Now click on Orange Fox recovery zip which we had downloaded, and now swipe to confirm, swipe to install. So well, once the recovery is installed, we can head into menu, click on more, click on reboot and click on recovery. Wait for your phone to boot into Orange Fox recovery. So well, once the recovery has booted, we can head into menu. We can go into wipe, format data and type in yes. This will result in wiping out all your data in your phone, so please make sure to keep a backup. So well, once your data has been formatted successfully, you can click on reboot system. And well, here we go. Our Android 13 ROM has been booted. So let me just do a quick setup. And well, here's our ROM. So first things first, let me put it to 120 Hz. And let me come up a bit close. This is how the settings app look like, and there are G apps already installed, and we have camera app also installed with Dolby Atmos available. Camera app keeps stopping, that's some error, let's look at that later. I'll be telling you how to fix all the errors in a review video, so stay tuned for that video. We have Dolby Atmos here, and we got these widgets more better in the Android 13, and wallpaper and style. We have a lot of wallpapers, and as you can see, there are a lot of wallpapers here. You can see the animation, it's damn good, the way it's going down. And this is the max peak brightness we got in this ROM, so let's lower it, not too much. So that is all for this video. If this video helped you on how to install this ROM, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.